So this is NikitaNet, and what I've got here is the Garden Feelings, well, wonderful little stow and mow with a Briggs, well, Stratton 550E, 140cc, well, lawn mower. It's a self-driving unit. It's a little bit of a hassle to put together, and I'm missing one part, so I'll have to call the manufacturer and ask them to send me one of these wonderful little caps that is supposed to be on here. Was only one in the packaging. Yes, I checked twice even, but it looks great. It's in the highest setting. You can lower it 4 wheels at a time with this handle. Only have to add some oil and some fuel, and it is ready to use, which is wonderful. So this is NikitaNet saying thanks for watching, and see you in the next video. Bye bye.